Where are we?
Oh, we're in the Grenadines!
We're really experiencing
the
Caribbean. Are you serious?
Hi guys, I'm Isabel and this is Karen, and this is our home Merewether. Together we sail around the world. Click subscribe and join our journey. So what happened was, we were just having a conversation and I said, I want to see those dolphins. And just when I said it, I looked out and I saw a dolphin.
Actually.
True story.
I did not believe it. I thought you were faking it.
Oh, look at him! Yeah, these are the dolphins that don't want to come and say hi, yeah?
Yeah, they're antisocial.
But the last ones we saw over the Atlantic, they came and said hi.
We were going really slow. Yeah. We were like stopped, Eve 2.
Oh, I see them.
They popped up, said hello.
Oh yeah, so now we just left from our anchorage place in Cumberland Bay.
Cumberland Bay, man, yeah. You're in paradise, man.
Super friendly people. And now we're just got some wind and we're gonna sail over to the Grenadines, which is also part of St. Vincent. And the first stop is...
Where are we going?
Yeah?
The starts with a B.
Starts with a B.
Bequia.
We've yet to discover St. Vincent and the Grenadines local beer. Barbados had their local beer. I'm pretty sure that Martinique had one as well.
Local beer.
Yeah, can't remember its name, but Pigeons.
Local beer.
Yeah. So yeah, let's see what they have to offer here. Do you have anything to add to the people?
Do I have anything to add to the people? Are they lacking in anything?
The people?
I could add some charisma to them, some humour, some.
But in order for you to offer that, you need to have it yourself. So.
You're spot on there. You're spot on. No humour here. Just nothing but sadness over here.
There it is.
Okay, so after suffering for like 2 hours this morning waiting for wind, we've just got 20 knots hit us on the nose, and Isabel, whoa, yeah. Killer, woo.
Do a dance.
Do a dance? Hey!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we?
Oh, we're in the Grenadines.
We are in the Grenadines.
We just arrived yesterday. We went to the biggest island.
Bequia.
There's a lot of sailboats here, but I'm just very happy that we're actually in the Grenadines. We saw the turtle this morning.
Went for a swim. He came and said hello to me.
Yeah. We're gonna go find some Wi-Fi and I'm gonna upload a little video for you guys.
Yeah, we're trying to get these videos out weekly, and part of that whole process is finding a internet fast enough to upload them. So today we'll be spending half the day doing that, but it's all good fun because we get to share our adventures with you guys.
Yeah, happy days.
What?
Happy days.
Happy days. I thought you said something in Swedish. Reis. I'm like, what's that?
Reis.
Reis.
Sounds like
Happy days, happy days.
glada dagar.
Glada
dagar.
Glada dagar. I'm getting there. So Isabel and I both agree that the town of Bequia, still figuring out the name. Bequia. It's absolutely stunning.
So pretty.
We love it. We love it.
Feels very genuine, local.
Very, very legitimate Caribbean, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everywhere else we've been to, there's hotels everywhere. It's kind of not what we thought, but now we're really experiencing the Caribbean. There's fruit shops with pineapples out the front and mangoes and then there's just these bars right on the water like behind me. Unreal.
Local beer. How about it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You pass your test?
Passes the Kieran beer test. We haven't had a bad beer yet in the Caribbean, have we?
No.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Damn. How about it?
We are going on an adventure.
Our second adventure in this town.
Our second adventure in this town. Are you stoked?
Stoked. Absolutely frothing. Frothing on life.
We've had a really nice morning. We went around to the snorkeling spot and had a little snorkel and a little play on the beach. And now we are gonna go in for adventure number 2. Every time I start filming it, you walk away from me. Step a little bit to the left. And
to the left, to the left.
And then look up a little bit.
Everything you want.
There it is.
To the left.
There it is. Strike a pose. Ooh. And a little bit up. Oof. A little bit down. Ooh, no, not that much. Yes.
Fully discovering the ways to pronounce Bequia is actually Backway. We also learned Backway means the island of clouds in Arawak, an ancient language from South America. Its population is 5,300. The island is well known for its diving, having 28 identified dive sites with 2 dive stores running daily trips. Turtles, eels and many different types of fish can be found in the waters of Backway.
One of the many unpredictable things that we get to deal with living on a boat, sailing the world.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you really want to support us, click the link below and become a Patreon today. Cheers.
Charleston Bay.
You see what I gotta deal with day in and day out?